Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Dan, or Dano, whichever one you want to call me by. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing, well in this case it's going to be an unbagging of Fabletics products that I have recently purchased from Fabletics, which is the Kevin Hart brand, or I don't know if it's actually his brand, but you know, he's repping it, and yeah. So I thought I'd share what I purchased with y'all, and I'll share my size and everything. I'll try it on, walk around, let y'all know how it fits, and we'll kind of go from there. But before we do that, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and help support me and continue doing some of these unbaggings or unboxings, and the vibes. Just do it. Shut up and do it. Alright, so here we go. And I think I peel this thing, right? Did I peel this thing? What did I do? What did I just do? Did I mess it up? I think I messed it up. Oh, I just peel this up. There's a tab that I was supposed to pull off, but I didn't pull it off because, well, we don't talk about it. Everything comes individually packaged, so I think I ordered 3 things. The third thing. Oh, maybe I ordered 4 things. I don't know what I ordered, but I guess we'll find out. So it looks like I got some socks. Alright. They're black socks. Oh, there you go. These are the Performance Crew socks. Alright. The other thing I got was the Go-To Crew. Alright, so I've actually ordered this one before. And I ordered it in a small, and I wore it like quite a bit, and then I kept washing and drying it, and eventually it did kind of shrink just a little bit. It still fits, but I think it's too fitted now, almost to a point where I want it to be a little bit bigger. So I this time, instead of ordering it in a small, I decided to get a medium. So yeah, we'll go ahead and open that up after as well. And what else did I order here? I got the Go-To jogger pants. Alright, so I actually have a pair of these already too, but another thing happened. As the wifey was washing my clothes, she got bleach on it by accident. Even though she wasn't bleaching black colored clothes, she was bleaching white stuff prior, but something happened and shit happens. But yeah, that's what happened. And what else is this? What did I get? Oh, I got the Go-To shorts. Okay, so as you can tell, the theme of this video is the, Go-To. So I got the Go-To shorts, the Go-To joggers, the Go-To hoodie, and the Performance Crew sock. Alright, so I'm just gonna start with the socks because that's what I feel like. You know what I'm saying? This is my video. And I don't know how to open this goddamn thing. Oh, right here. Right here. It's a sticker. It's easy. Y'all should know how socks fit though, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, these are some thick ass socks though, I'm not gonna lie. These are some thick ass socks. I'm over here fighting this goddamn cook. Here we go. They're the long socks, you know what I'm saying? Like schoolgirl socks. Shit. Let's fucking go. Alright. Next. Let's start with the crew. Start with the crew. Alright. Oh yeah. This is extremely soft. The inside is soft. I really like the material of this, and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll throw this stuff on after. But I just want to do kind of the unboxing so you guys can kind of see. This actually looks different from the original one I ordered, because the original one I ordered didn't have that logo that big. I believe it was just on the sleeve for my last one. So they must have changed this up. Next, next, we're just gonna power through these. We're just gonna power through these. Alright, so the next one is my go-to joggers. So this one, I ordered in a small, okay? So, for those of you that are looking for references, I am about 155 pounds, about 5'8", 5'9". And these fit me like great. So, that's all I can tell you. Like they fit nice, but you'll see later in the video when I try them on. You know what I'm saying? What I like about these pants is that the zipper pockets. You gotta have them zipper pockets. It's like my favorite. Most of my favorite pants have had zipper pockets. So, just saying. Next, go to short. All right. So the go-to short. Boom. This is what I'm talking about. All right. So they're like the pant, but they're shorts. I also got a small one of these as well because they fit the same. I imagine they fit the same. At least this is my first time ordering these shorts. These also have the zipper pockets here. Amazing. So we'll get to that. When I try them on, you'll be able to see how they fit. And yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, let's throw one thing on at a time, you know what I'm saying? Woo! Looking good, looking good. Alright, I kind of threw it on over the shirt, but that's alright. You know what I'm saying? Like, fits good, looks good. Oh, it's so soft. And then, let's see, I'm gonna go throw the shorts on now. Woo! They look good. Look at my knees. Look at my knees. Yeah, it fits really good. It's all nice.